5 Best Practices for Security Generative AI Systems. Generative AI systems are those that can create new content or data, such as images, text, audio, or video, based on some input or parameters. Examples of generative AI systems include deepfakes, text summarizers, image enhancers, and music composers. These systems have many potential applications and benefits, such as entertainment, education, art, and research. However, they also pose some serious security and ethical challenges, such as identity theft, misinformation, plagiarism, and manipulation. One way to secure generative AI systems is to use digital watermarking or signatures to embed some information or metadata into the generated content or data. This can help to verify the source, authenticity, and integrity of the content or data, as well as to detect any tampering or modification. Another way to secure generative AI systems is to implement access control and encryption mechanisms to protect the input and output of the systems. This can help to prevent unauthorized access, use, or disclosure of the content or data generated by the systems. A third way to secure generative AI systems is to follow ethical guidelines and standards that outline the principles and values that should guide the development and deployment of the systems. This can help to ensure that the systems are aligned with human rights, social norms, and legal frameworks, as well as to prevent or mitigate any potential harm or abuse. A fourth way to secure generative AI systems is to conduct security testing and auditing to identify and fix any vulnerabilities or weaknesses in the systems. This can help to improve the robustness and resilience of the systems against various attacks or threats, such as adversarial examples, backdoor attacks, or model stealing. A fifth way to secure generative AI systems is to educate and inform the users and stakeholders about the capabilities and limitations of the systems, as well as the risks and responsibilities involved in using them. This can help to increase the awareness and understanding of the systems, as well as to foster a culture of trust and accountability. Thank you for watching this video.